Tesla China's Model 3 sales rise 78% to 21,604 units in November. That's 78% month-to-month rise. And I'm going to tell you why Tesla may do much better in December. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. And if you have any Tesla tips or electric vehicle tips, please send me through our contact information. Our friend Ray, who tweets at Ray for Tesla, reported the news early this morning saying, breaking news, according to CPCA, 21,604 made in China Tesla Model 3s were sold in November versus only 12,143 Tesla Model 3s sold in October. That's a huge jump from the previous months, and congratulations to Tesla China. Job well done, tweeted Ray, who tweets at Ray for Tesla. And so there was a rumor that this may be true. The rumor came earlier yesterday, and one of the guys in the comment section asked Ray, what do you think is the outlook for December for Tesla China? And Ray responded, in December we will do better with refreshed Model 3s coming out of Gigafactory 3, Giga Shanghai, in a day or so. As you guys know, that new refreshed Model 3s are coming out. And also keep in mind that the third shift and LFP are now taking effect, the LFP batteries. However, if the current LFP problems about which I reported yesterday based on multiple reports of batteries having cold problems is not solved quickly, maybe it will backfire. So Tesla has to keep an eye on this, because Tesla is shipping Model 3s to EU. So, everything looks promising for Tesla China for December too. Simon Alvarez writes in Tesla Radi about this, saying, back in October, Tesla China caught flake from the company's critics over its domestic sales figures, which only showed a 7.18% increase from September, when the company sold 11,329 Tesla Model 3s in China. What was largely neglected by Tesla's skeptics then was the fact that Giga Shanghai, Tesla's China factory, started exporting vehicles to Europe, which meant that a good part of the facility's production was allocated for foreign territories. And I would like to know, to see how many Model 3s made in China were sold in Europe in November and October. Hopefully, actually in November, because in October the shipment was not going not going yet. So that would be a good number to compare them. Considering the Tesla Model 3's massive bounce back in November, which Ray reported, and that's a big number. That's 21,604 Tesla units. So considering the Model 3's massive bounce back in November, it appears that supply, not demand, remains to be Tesla's primary issue in the Chinese market. Tesla China appears to have focused on domestic sales of the Model 3 in November, and this resulted in record-breaking sales numbers for the Gigafactory Shanghai produced all-electric sedan. The Tesla Model 3's momentum in China, I think, is very likely become even more prominent, says Simon Alvarez in Tesla Radi, in the coming months, especially as the electric car maker has registered the Model 3 performance to the Ministry of the Industry and Information Technology. Tesla also updated its Made in China Model 3 lineup, with the company registering 4 variants of the all-electric vehicle. This was happening on December 7th. So recent reports from China have indicated that Tesla Model 3 performance has been registered and filed to the country's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. And Tesla China has also declared the Model 3's new 18 Aero and 19 Sport wheels hinting that domestic production of the vehicles refresh variants may be poised to begin soon. This was what Ray was referring, saying that the new refresh is coming and this will help the December sales. Alvarez writes in Tesla Radis that the update was related by China-based industry watcher Changyan CY, who has been closely following Tesla's operations in the country for years. According to the electric vehicle enthusiast, Tesla China has also registered the Model 3 Performance's zero-G wheels and new headlights to the MIIT, which is the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology of China. Tesla, the electric car maker, has updated its Model 3 lineup in China as well, with the companies now registering 4 variants of the all-electric sedan. Tesla China's domestic Model 3 production in Gigafactory Shanghai has so far been focused on the standard range plus and long range rear-wheel drive variants, both of which only utilize one electric motor at the rear. Considering that Tesla has updated its filings with the MIIT to reflect 4 variants of the car, including the Model 3 Performance, there seems to be good chance that domestic production of the Model 3 dual motor AW all-wheel drive is poised to begin at Gigafactory Shanghai very soon, and Ray said in a day or so. With Tesla producing full refresh versions of the Model 3 domestically, and with Giga Shanghai extending its production to the Performance and possibly the dual motor all-wheel drive, the electric car maker could very well be on track to hit its reported 2021 domestic production goals, says Alvarez in Tesla Radis, saying previous reports have pointed to Tesla China aiming to produce 550,000 vehicles in 2021, with 300,000 vehicles of that number being Model 3s and 250,000 being Model Y. Tesla China has begun exporting domestically produced Model 3s to Europe. Among the 300,000 Model 3s that are expected to be produced in 2021, 100,000 units of the all-electric sedan are expected to be exported to other territories, adding more variety to that 100,000 vehicle export target would likely benefit Tesla's ramp in regions such as Europe. However, yesterday we received multiple reports from China and from Europe, including Business Insider's German edition, that the cars that Tesla is producing right now in China, the Model 3s with LFP battery, which doesn't have cobalt in it but has more iron, which is heavy also, has problem with charging, and range has cold problem in cold weathers. So we're going to see if there are more reports coming on this, if the problem exists, or if Tesla can fix this issue with an over-the-air software update, and I don't know if that's possible. So we'll see if these reports mount. If no, maybe these are just isolated cases. We'll know about that. And what is rather interesting, says Simon Alvarez in Tesla Radis, is that Tesla China is not yet fully ramped up. The model made in China Model Y is yet to be produced, though the vehicle is expected to enter volume production in early 2021. Considering that the vehicle, the Model Y made in China, is a crossover, the made in China Model Y could very well be an even bigger hit than its sedan sibling in the Chinese electric vehicle markets. I personally don't know what cars are popular, what types of cars are popular in China, sedans versus electric crossovers. If you know, please let me know in the comment section below, friends. And China is an extremely important market for Tesla's global outlook, and sales of its electric vehicles there have a huge impact on overall Tesla performance. Therefore, in the future, the company intends to further increase car production at Giga Shanghai, and in a parallel with this, the demand for Tesla cars in the domestic market continues to grow steadily. That's what we have seen in October when Giga Shanghai produced and shipped 7,000 Model 3s to the European market. The waiting times for Chinese customers increased, making the company's cars even more attractive and desirable. Tesla was able to partially quench the thirst of buyers in the social market. However, despite the constant increase in in production capabilities, Giga Shanghai is barely keeping up with demand. So we'll see how things go next year and in December. Let me know what you think about Tesla Giga Shanghai sales in December. What number do you think will be approximately, and if Tesla will achieve the 500,000 unit goal overall for 2020. Friends, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please like this video, it helps us, and ring the notification bell. Subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news, and I'll see you in our next report. God bless you everyone, and see you soon.